measuring? Santa something, I don't know. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is definitely something different. It's definitely something different, and I'm super glad that I'm implementing this into here because I haven't done one. So let's just bear with me today and throughout this video because, like I said, I haven't done this before. So hopefully this works out really, really well. But today's video is going to be my top, how many do I have? My top 7 red lipsticks. They are from different brands. Some are from the same brand because I just really, really like them. But these are just literally my all-around favorite red lipsticks that I love wearing. And with the holidays rolling around the corner and fall is upon us, I thought that it would be really cool to do this video. So the first one here, I'm just literally, there's no favorite order here, but literally just grabbing from left to right, is the Maybelline Siren in Scarlet. It's number 690, and it's a matte shade. I love this red. Like, does this red not, like, it is just a beautiful, beautiful red color. Like, that shade right there is literally, I don't know, it's kind of a, I feel like it has a little bit of orange tone in it, not so much. But I definitely feel like it's there. Like, it's not a true red, but it might be a true red. This red is just stunning. Stunning. Now, it doesn't, it is a matte. It's a creamy matte. It's definitely creamy. It's not drying on me, but it tends to not stay as well. So you will have to apply, or I have to apply this basically almost every time that I eat or every time that I take a drink. Not necessarily apply it, but it doesn't transfer very well. What am I saying? Okay. So it's a creamy matte. It's definitely more on the cream side because it doesn't dry out my lips that much. But it does transfer when I eat and when I drink. So that, just keep that in mind. But it's a gorgeous, gorgeous color. I love it right now with this eye look. Like, rich. It looks good. Okay, so the next color is going to be the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade Amsterdam. Let's just take a look at this bad boy. This shade is definitely more on the lighter red color. That's a bad swatch. There we go. It's definitely more on the lighter red shade, but I love this for the summertime. I think it's absolutely great and gorgeous for the summertime because it's not too deep. It's just a light red. My lips are gonna go through it today, but it's worth it. It is worth it. The next one here is another NYX color. It's a soft matte lip cream in the shade Monte Carlo. And this is more of a deeper red here. A little bit of berry, kind of reminds me of a berry color. So this is the shade Monte Carlo. This is what it looks like. It's definitely more on the darker red with a little bit of, I'm not even too sure if you can see it in the bottle, but it's a darker red with a little bit of purple in it. Not too much, but definitely there is some there. Both of the NYX Monte Carlo and the Amsterdam shade cream. Lip cream, there's no doubt about it there. My lips aren't drying. They do transfer though. They don't stay on as long as I would like, but they get the job done. It's definitely one of my top favorite shades and favorite formula, just because it's so creamy and I don't feel like this is drying out my lips. Like, I've tried many matte lipsticks before and they dry out my lips and I'm just like, ugh, so annoying, but that's what we're working with right now. Okay, so I went over my lips a little bit with my beauty sponge and my concealer, just to get rid of the red tint that was going on here for a little bit. So the next one, I am super all on board for this. It is the ColourPop I Love Sarai Ultra Matte Lip in the shade Arriba. There's nothing literally that I can say bad about this color, this formula. It's great. I absolutely adore this color. Like, it is a true red, a little bit brighter. And like, look at that. That literally just like glistens and shines, but it's super matte. It's like, it's matte to the point where I don't feel like it's drying my lips out though. Like the other ones, they were creamy. This one isn't creamy, like, but it doesn't feel like I have anything on my lips at all. And it's such a beautiful shade. I can drink with this. I can eat with this. I live for this formula and for this shade. Arriba, ColourPop, y'all did your thing with this. I Love Sarai, you did your thing with this, because this shade here is just on my top favorite list. This literally was in my car. Like, I had to go to my car to get this because it was in my center console, because it's just that good. So freaking good. And ColourPop, I cannot say this enough. I love your guys' formula, your color shades, your glosses, your this, your that. Like, keep doing you, because you guys are amazing. Let's take on to the next one, but I don't want to take this off because it's so freaking good. Literally. Okay, so the next shade is going to be this little one here that I got as a sample, and it's the Kat Von D in Santorini? But it's a good shade, that's what I know. And it's so little, you know. This is the next shade. And this is my first Kat Von D shade that I have ever tried. I really do like her formula. It is matte. I really do. It's a red shade, kind of like Arriba. Oh my gosh, so much. Look at this, so much red. A little bit more orangey. It's than what it appears to be in the bottle here. Actually, no, they're pretty much the same. But it is matte. Doesn't transfer, which is cool. And I like lipsticks that don't transfer. The shade here is definitely, I could wear this in the summertime. I could wear it for the wintertime, but I feel like it's a more summertime shade just because it's has a little bit of orange tint to it. Not much, but I feel like it's there. The next shade here is by Morphe. It's their liquid lip, and this is in the shade Hot Shot. This is definitely more of a vibrant red color. Definitely more of a vibrant red color. Look at that. Bomb. This is creamy. But one thing that I do like about this shade here is that it is on the vibrant side. It's definitely like bam, hot shot right in your face, which I really love here. But another thing that I like is it starts out very creamy and then it turns into a matte shade. Like, I don't feel like I'm wearing lipstick. Same with the ColourPop one. I don't feel as though it's really heavy on the lips. And although it is a little bit more drying than the Arriba shade, I like it. It doesn't transfer as much, I don't believe. Yeah. Same, it doesn't transfer, which is nice. If you're like going out and you really don't want to worry about it and you like this shade, definitely it's good. It's up there. The last shade here is definitely, as soon as I sat down and I was like, okay, I need to film this video, this was my first thought. I was like, yes, this needs to be up on the list because this is definitely one of my go-to red shades for anything. For summertime, wintertime, fall time, laying in bed, drinking soup, whatever. It's by Fenty Beauty and it's in the shade Uncensored. If you guys do not have this in your collection, I highly, highly recommend getting it because it's absolutely great. Oh, this shade is just gorgeous. It literally is great. It's matte. It's not creamy. It doesn't apply creamy. It just applies really, really nice overall. And it's a great red shade. And it's like cherry red. Like a deep cherry red is what I think of with this lip color. And the other cool thing that I like about this is that the applicator is a little bit different here. Let's see if you guys are able to. It's a little bit different here compared to like the regular applicators. Basically what every, like this is Morphe's. You know, that's pretty much the standard applicator for most of the reds. But Fenty was just like, fuck it, let me just do something different because, first of all, I'm Rihanna and I can. And second of all, I think it works really well. It doesn't make it super messy. It's a different applicator. However, it applies the same way. I think it's a little bit easier just because it's not so big. Like, it doesn't have that long of a stick, I guess. And I think it's a little bit easier to navigate and to apply to your lips than the regular standard dofer. But that is it. All of my shades, guys, that I have just absolutely adore, absolutely love. These three, if you're looking for actually these four, if you're looking for something that stays on all day and you really like, if you're looking for something that stays on all day, I definitely would go with these four. Either the Fenty Beauty, the Morphe, the ColourPop, or the Kat Von D. I think those definitely will fit your needs, and you guys will find that it doesn't transfer as much compared to other ones. Now, if you're looking for just a quick little creamy red, definitely the NYX and the Maybelline. They are very good. They're very well. I do put these on from time to time. You know, it's definitely when I was venturing out to red colors, those were the first ones that I got because I love Maybelline, I love NYX, and they were super, super creamy at the time, and that's what my lips needed. And I was like, yes, bitch, because your lips are super dry right now. You can't be rocking a matte lip when your lips are dry. Like, no, put on a creamy red shade and go throughout your day. Put on some red lipstick, adjust your crown, and get shit done. Okay, so that is it for today's video, guys. I really hope you all enjoyed it. I enjoyed it. It's very something different. I am going to be doing another one with nudes, and then I think another one with glosses, I believe. But those I'm super excited for, and I think I might throw a little bit of the mauve colors in there with my nude, my favorite nude lipsticks. But without further ado, guys, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. Also, give this video a thumbs up because I've never done anything like this before, and I need to know if you guys like it. That way I can continue these. It's something different, and I really liked it, so I hope you guys do too. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.